Hello guys, this is Cherry and welcome to my channel. Today is Thursday and the climate was amazing in Chennai. And one more thing I want to say to you people. Yesterday I have bought a drone. I'm gonna fly the drone. How to say? This is the first time I don't know how to fly it, so I'm gonna try to fly the drone. I don't know how it's gonna come. I was charging the drone. Now I have to pick all those things, and I wanna go somewhere free space where I can fly freely without any tension. Let's go. So this place will be perfect to fly the drone, I think so. And I don't have another camera to shoot how I will fly the drone. And one more thing, I have bought this drone for really very low price. Means it's a good deal for me. It's brand new. It wasn't used and all. It was brand new. It was sealed. So all those things I will be sharing in my Instagram handle. So follow me there at Tagore Cherry. So let's fly the drone, and I have to set all those things. So guys, I hope you people like those drone shots which I took. It will be little bit okay only, I think so. It's because just now I started learning how to fly a drone itself. Yesterday I just tried to fly the drone, but then I crashed it, but nothing happened seriously, for God's sake. So I hope you people like that. And actually, why I bought drone instead of investing that money in traveling, why I bought drone? Let me explain that first. Actually, I have planned a very big ride like Ladakh and Meghalaya. I have planned like that. But then what I thought was, already I have completed Ladakh. And then recently I went to Bhutan, but I was not able to do the Meghalaya. So I was like thinking to do Meghalaya. Then I just changed my decision. Sorry for those noises. I just changed my decision that I will do Meghalaya next time. It's because I want to prepare for GRE exams. All those stuffs was there. If I went for a too long ride, then it will be little bit hard to manage all those things together. So my parents was like, not now, after completing all these examinations you can go, like that they said. So I thought I have saved money for those rides. So I was like, let me invest this money in the drone, because it will be great when I am traveling. If I had a drone, I can show you aerial view. The drone shots will be amazing in the video. So I was like, let me invest the money in the drone. So I just was searching for the drone, which one I should buy. At last I selected the DJI Spark. Many of them suggested me to go for Mavic Pro, but then it should be very compact and I want to carry everywhere, wherever I want. So I just went for Spark, and it shoots in 1080p. It's more than enough for me. So I just bought the drone. And if you ask what is your travel idea plan now, what is your ride plans now, it's not like that I'm not gonna ride anywhere. I'm gonna start riding within 2 to 3 days. Maybe this 10th I will be start riding towards how to say, I'm gonna cover the Kerala, all those parts, Kanyakumari, Kerala, and then I'm thinking to go to Vagaman. Shit, man. So I was thinking to go to Vagaman and Ooty, all those places. I want to cover all these places in Kerala actually, and many things. It's gonna be amazing. I'm for sure. It's because every time I used to just ride, but then this time I'm gonna explore all the places wherever I'm gonna go. I hope I can explore many things, many places over there. So Vagaman, Ooty, and then I'm thinking to go to Bangalore also, but I'm not sure it's gonna happen or not. First I thought that I will go to Goa, but then I changed the mind. I was started changing the things. I was like confused, very confused. I want to ride, but then I was like, where? And the climatic conditions in the places, all those things I was just collecting, gathering. At the same time, I am working on my studies. At the same time, all those things was putting in together, and it was like little bit hectic for me. So that's the reason I was just planned for this small. It's not small ride. It's around 2,500 kilometers ride. It will come around 2,500 kilometers. So I was really hoping towards that. I will start at 10th, and I will keep on updating videos, and follow me on Instagram. I used to update everything on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Taugur Cherry, as I said. Follow there. You can ask any questions, any doubts you have. I'll just reply instantly. I won't, if the mobile was in my hands, I used to reply instantly. I won't do delay and all. So you can follow me on Instagram. Oh my god, it's sweating. I have to switch on the fan. Arey yaar, what is this? They are cooking, it seems, because the time is afternoon 1 o'clock. It's time for them to cook all this things. So this was the plan actually. This was what happened. At last, our Cherry Vlogs have got DJ Ice Park. We got this, and have to use that properly, and have to show you people many things. And with that said, I'm gonna end this vlog over here. It'll be a little bit short video, I think so. Soon, gonna travel now. Gonna start traveling now. When it's traveling, videos will be like, as you people know, it will be amazing. So, hope you guys like this video. Give a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends and make them to subscribe. Yeah, do the help, yeah. Oh my god, it's too sweaty. So, as usual, just eat, sleep, and write. Repeat that again, guys. See you people in the next video. Till the signing off, your Cherry. Bye bye. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe, and click that bell button. Tong tong tong. Done. Bye.